Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. In this video I'll be walking you through on how to set a take profit and a stop loss for a spot trading on LBank exchange. And before I continue, if you are not subscribed to this channel and watching this video right now, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like and also put on the notification so as to get notified. And let's get started and let's continue. First of all, before you can set a take profit and a stop loss, you need to have the coin like this. That is, you must have already bought the coin, maybe on spot, but have already like put some money into the coin just for you before you can set a take profit and a stop loss. So I'll be using a popular one, which is SRP. I have funded a small amount for this video so as we can show you guys on how to do that. So I'll be using SRP in this video, and let's click on buy. I already bought the SRP. Let's check it out. Why have I bought it? So let's check it. Yeah, I already bought it already. So if you want to set it, first of all, we'll be going with stop loss. So for you to set a stop loss, uh currently the price is at 0.5 something, and I bought it at 0.5 something because I just bought it before this video. So automatically, if I want to set a stop loss, I have to set it at a price below my market price or below my entry point. So let's assume I want to set a stop loss at 0.4. Do you understand? Since the price 0.5 now and I bought another region, so let's assume I want to set at 0.4. So I will click on this, choose. You can either use limit or you can either use a trigger, either of the two. So but if you want to use but since you are setting a stop loss, the best for you is to use trigger. If you use limit, instantly it's going to sell your coin. Do you understand? No matter the price you put, it's going to sell your coin. That is going to sell your position, which is very annoying. So but trigger is very effective. All you need to do, I want to use 0.45 or 0.4. So click on this. So 0.4, repeat the same price here, 0.4, and then drag it up. If I'm selling the 100% of my portfolio, or if we want to sell just 50%, but I'm going for 100%, and I click on sell. So you can see a pending order here. So whenever price reaches this price of 0.4, even when I'm sleeping or when I'm not there, the market is going to execute my order and fill it for me and take me out, just in case maybe market is dumping and I don't want to take too much risk, or market is going against me and I don't want to take too much risk. This is the best strategy to get out of it. So then the next is you can also use this trigger to set the take profit, or you can also use it to set your or you can also use limit to set your take profit also. So but let's first of all try trigger for take profit. So currently the price is 0.5. So maybe whenever price reaches 0.7 or 0.8, I want to take profit. So let me use 0.8. Repeat the same price also, 0.8. 100% sell. So you see a pending order here. Whenever the price reaches 0.8, it's going to trigger this order and sell it for me, and I will have my profit. So like I said, you can also use limit. Don't forget, subscribe now, press that subscribe button. And I can also use limit. So limit, click on limit. And also you can check the description of this video. You're going to find a Telegram group channel. Join, and so as to have more information, market insights, signals, coin to buy, and the likes. So let's continue. So if you click on limit, like I said, you can use limit to also set what you take profit. So let's use 0.8. Just put 0.8 here and drag it if you are using everything, and then sell. So when you use sell, you can see the price is pending. So whenever price reaches the point, it's going to fill your order. But I will tell you that the trigger is more effective than limit. So especially for stop loss, don't think of using limit for your stop loss because your order will get filled instantly. Let me show you what I'm seeing. So let's cancel this. So let's I want to say stop loss. Let's say 0.45. That's below market price. Put everything and then do this. So you can see my order was filled instantly, meaning it sold everything, even though I put it at the lower market price than my current one. So which doesn't make sense. So that's why using trigger makes more sense. So my coin has been sold even before the time, before the price I put. So that's just for now. And don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends, and get